Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in Dall fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. How are we going to make the kurma? If you don't like chicken, you can use your pre-cooked vegetables or meat to make this dish. So let's begin. In a saucepan, get your chicken. We're going to add your sugar, your coconut powder, almond powder and almond flakes, and also some sultanas. In this we're going to put our single cream and gravy, of course, and then finally the carnation milk. This is what gives it the nice light colour in the curry, and also very tasty, because people who don't like curries, they always love a kurma because it's so mild and sweet and creamy. So this is my take of a chicken kurma. So once you give it a good stir, all we're now going to do is basically heat it up. I may seem a bit quick when I'm cooking, because when I used to cook like 10 curries at the same time. I would put one on, then the next one, and then the next one, and so on. Then come back to it, just give it a little stir. Then when it's ready in about 5 minutes, I would just take it off. The kurma takes a little bit longer because we've added cream and milk. So we have to wait for at least 7 to 8 minutes for the kurma to cook. My burners here not so big, so it takes a little bit longer as well. But this is a domestic cooker, so it's fine. It'd be what you have at home. So just keep an eye on it and stir it every now and again, just so it doesn't burn on the sides. So all you're doing is just stirring it slowly and making sure that the curry doesn't burn on the sides. That's all we're doing until it's nice and thick. I've sold loads of kurmas in my lifetime, and we've never had any complaints on the kurma. People who don't like curries, they love a kurma. And I remember when I used to get customers coming in and they said they don't like curry. I said, look, let me do you a kurma. If you don't like it, you won't have to pay. And they enjoy it, and it's a start for them to adventure and try other curries as well. So this is my take of a kurma. So I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this kurma. I know it's very simple, but then simple things are good. So why change it if you enjoy it? And that was my motto. Don't change it. If it's good, if it sells, no need to change it. So this is my kurma, very popular dish of its day, and I'm sure it still sells a lot now. But if you want to learn more curries, then I suggest that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button as well, so you get notified every time I post new videos. So I'm going to go now because I've got a lot of cooking to do, and I've got a lot of curries to show you all. So I'm going to let you watch this in real time because I don't want to really cut this video, so you can see exactly how long this kurma takes to cook. It took probably about 8 minutes to cook from start to finish. Because it's not such a powerful burner, that's why it's taken a little bit longer. But anyway, enjoy my kurma, and hope to see you in my next video. So bye for now, and hope to see you soon.